Euro risk ahead. Guys, today, 12:45, we have the ECB coming out with their latest monetary policy decision. And this one is going to be an interesting one. Probably going to be more interesting than the Fed yesterday, because on the cards is a potential big increase in the size of the ECB's QE program. So it's called the Pandemic Emergency Purchase Program, or the PEPP for short. And at the moment it's worth 750 billion euros, but they could potentially, be increasing it to something like 1.25 trillion, or maybe even slightly more. That is what most analysts expect, although there is some disagreement whether this increase in the size of the QE program is going to come today, at today's meeting, or is it going to come at the next meeting. But pretty much everyone expects it to come by June. Now, that isn't the only area where there's disagreement. There's also disagreement over how the market might react if they do this big increase to the QE program. So imagine if they do. That's dovish, right? When a central bank increases QE or cuts rates or does something that's expansive monetary policy, that is usually dovish, which usually weighs on a currency. However, some people have been making the point that weighing on euro in recent weeks has been this growing risk of, another debt crisis, and a debt crisis could eventually cause the euro as a currency to fail, So some might see such a move by the ECB as like another one of those whatever it takes moments. Do you remember Draghi back in 2012? Whatever it takes to save the euro. That resulted in euro strength. And a lot of people are saying you might see a repeat of that. But then a lot of people have just been saying that, like I said at the start, you might just see that typical dovish reaction. More likely though, instead of actually getting this big increase tomorrow, we might just get some indications that a big increase is coming. They might hint that might be the next tool that they're going to use to ease policy, but we're going to have to wait and see, guys. It's going to be a very, very interesting meeting, going to be very volatile for euro. That is pretty much it from me for now, and I will see you in the next one.